What's up guys, I hope you're having a great day. First off, just want to say thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you enjoy. And here we're building a igloo in Minecraft because where I live we just got a bunch of snow, so I thought it would be a cool idea to do a little igloo for this. And then we're going to take this to a program called Mineways, and then we're going to send it off to the 3D printer using a slicer program, and I'll show you guys how to slice it up. It's super easy. And then after that I'll have a little time lapse of the print being done super fast, and then I'll show you a few pictures of it. Hope you guys enjoy, and here's a little time lapse of the build, and then I'll join back up with you guys when we're on Mineways. And here we are in Mineways. I'll leave a link to this in the description for you guys so you can just get it real quick. It's super easy to use. All I'm doing is highlighting what I built in Minecraft. In the top right, to get to your build, all you have to do is go to File and Open World. And here I'm just exporting it to an STL because that's what all slicer programs use. And then just give it a name and save it. And then we're going to go right into the slicer. I use Matter Control, and I'll show you guys what I do. This little settings prompt here are all just settings you can mess with to make it exactly how you want. I left it all default, and now we're in the slicer, and all I'm going to do is scale it up a little bit by 1%, by 100%, but by 1 in scale. And now it's still really small, but it's perfect for what we need, just to show what you could do with this. And now I'm just going to align it to the bed so it's not off at all. And I completely forget how to move the axis around, so I'm going through everything, and I finally figure out how to face it forward. Now just line it up in the middle so it was good for the time lapse. And now all we're going to do is go through the settings real quick, make sure everything's good. I'm doing my printing at 0.3 layer height because it's a small print, shouldn't have to do anything else. Here's just seeing how long it's going to take. It took 30 minutes. And it was a super fast print. It came out great. I should have used a little bit more infill, so that's all I messed up on in settings. And now you guys will see the time lapse of it, and here you go.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing, like night into morning. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone. Never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart
is. And here's the print all finished up. Came out super good. The only thing I would have done different, like I said before, is add a little more infill. There's a few holes in it, but that's about it. Came out great, and I just wanted to say I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I loved making it, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, where I'm bringing things from Minecraft to real life, please let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely do more. Hope you guys have a great day.